And so my next question is, why is it that I've realized the past 1 to 2 years, I have come so far in alignment. I have a solid morning routine. Even though I have all of this to-do list, I feel so happy every day. I feel so great every day. And yet, as much as that has increased, so has all of the pain in my body. How could that happen? I have like
Okay.
more pain. And my doctor just says, she says it's age, it's menopause, it's just,
Yeah,
so
no.
what is the biological? What is the emotional?
So do you have any type of diagnosis? Is it in your joints? Can you describe the pain a little bit?
A lot of like thigh pain, just quad pain out of nowhere. It just came and then it stayed forever at night, like having trouble sleeping at night. And I know you said that you have to get that restorative sleep at night. Otherwise, it
Yeah.
hits you in so many ways. But yeah, leg pain. I have a tear in my shoulder. I don't even know where that came from. I'm just getting all of these weird physical pain manifestations that are taking me out of alignment when I'm already in alignment. So I should be feeling really good physically too,
Yeah,
right?
I mean,
Not
they're
the side
reflecting they're
pain.
reflecting something going on in your attraction point. So the thigh pain, is it muscular or is it like a joint pain?
Muscular. Yeah, it's
I'm
the
just gonna,
muscular
I've never
thigh.
actually looked up thighs in this book. I'm gonna take a look.
Thank you for doing that.
I'm very curious. There's nothing for thigh.
I
Um,
looked it up myself and there was nothing.
Let me look for, I mean, if it's muscular, and then the other, so if I asked you, how does that condition make me feel? So what emotion, or can you describe the pain?
Yeah, it's really ache. It's like a deep, deep ache,
And,
constant ache.
and when did it start?
It started about 4 or 5 months ago, and
Okay,
it
and
started sporadically. Now it's become more and more consistent.
okay, and was there anything going on about 5 months ago that was maybe bringing up some emotional stuff, maybe under more stress, under more pressure?
No, actually, it's the opposite. I've gotten so much better, so much happier, so much more aligned than I ever was before. So that's why I didn't understand how that could happen from being feeling really good.
Okay. And the muscle condition, does it feel tight? Does it feel tense? Does it just feel sore?
Yeah, it's just sore achiness that doesn't sometimes let you sleep at night because you toss and turn because of it.
Okay. And what would you say is your biggest source of worry? Is it work in your business?
Yes. I think just long-term financial security, wanting to retire in a good way when that time comes, that's pretty much my only real worry.
And do you have tight and tense neck and shoulders?
Yes, but that's always been the case.
Yeah. So
I've
so
always had
my
that.
guess is it probably comes from the stress and pressure you're putting on yourself to like, I gotta figure it out, I gotta figure it out.
Yeah,
That
maybe.
would prevent you from getting into those deeper rest and repair modes when you're sleeping. I'd love to find something in the book though that relates to that.
Yeah.
Um, it's not a tendon problem. I'm gonna keep thinking about what to look up in this book because there's, let me just look up just legs just to see.
Mhm.
Usually you need like a specific condition.
Mm.
Leg isn't there. Let's just look up muscle. Let's just see muscle
Yeah.
problems.
Muscle pain, I think, is the main thing.
So here it says muscle weakness often represents an inner weakness due to combination of emotional exhaustion, feeling overwhelmed, or feeling rigid and guilty. You don't know, you not only don't acknowledge your power, you may have abandoned it. You may be longing for a time when you had no problems and were free of stressful and angry people in your life. You seem to feel guilty about being the cause of problems within family, feeling blamed for mistakes. How does any of that feel?
Oh yeah, overwhelm. That's my main thing. That's the dominant part of my life is overwhelm.
Yeah, so my guess is it probably relates to that.